Energize your mornings, power breakfast for an unstoppable day. Good morning. Today, we're diving into the energizing world of power breakfasts. These aren't just your average meals. They're fuel to kickstart your day with vigor and vitality. Imagine starting your day not just awake, but truly alive. That's what a power breakfast does. It combines nutrients, flavor, and energy in a way that coffee alone can never achieve. First up, let's talk about oats. Not just any oats, but those soaked overnight. They form a base that's both digestible and packed with fiber, ready to be topped with fruits and nuts for that slow-release energy. Smoothies are the unsung heroes of the morning. Blending greens with a scoop of protein powder, some almond milk, and a handful of berries gives you a blast of vitamins and minerals without weighing you down. Eggs, the quintessential breakfast staple, but with a twist. Whip them into an omelet with spinach, tomatoes, and feta for a protein-packed meal that keeps you satisfied and energized till lunch. For those on the go, energy bars can be a game changer, but not the store-bought ones loaded with sugar. Homemade bars with oats, nuts, seeds, and a bit of honey keep the energy levels high and the toxins low. Avocado toast has become a bit of a cliché, but for good reason. The healthy fats in avocado are exactly what your body needs to fire up your brain cells and keep your hunger at bay. Quinoa might not be your typical breakfast food, but it should be. Mixed with some almond milk, a dash of cinnamon, and a sprinkle of blueberries, it's a powerhouse of protein and antioxidants. Greek yogurt isn't just for snacking. Topped with a drizzle of honey and a handful of walnuts, it transforms into a breakfast fit for champions, offering probiotics and omega-3s for brain health. Don't forget the power of spices. Adding turmeric to your morning tea or milk can reduce inflammation and provide a gentle detox, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. Hydration also plays a crucial role in how energized you feel. Starting your day with a big glass of lemon water not only wakes up your metabolism, but also gives you a dose of vitamin C. We've covered a lot, but remember, the best breakfast is one that suits your taste, lifestyle, and nutritional needs. Experiment, enjoy, and here's to mornings filled with energy and excitement. Cheers to powering up your day the right way.